Hi everyone, I'm here with Eddy, our maintenance head of maintenance, and he's going to explain to us why here in this unit, which we had a fire actually downstairs, we need to modify the kitchen a little bit differently because of the new permit that we're getting from the city. So here is Eddy.
Okay. Anytime anything like this happens, you got to pull permits. So you got to be up to date on what goes on in the permits. Usually, if you look at some of our older units, we only come off the wall about 2 inches. They got new permits now where we have to come off the wall about 9 inches because of the way the handle on the pot goes. So you can see right here is where we have our 220 outlet for our range, our stove, if you will, and that's where that goes. So what we got to keep in mind, since we got to come off 9 inches, it could throw the rest of your cabinets off. So that's why I'm having somebody kind of come in here and lay out these cabinets for me really good on this. We actually got some other ones right across the way there that we're going to put up here, and we're going to modify them so they'll fit just nice and perfect and snug and look really good.
Thank you, Eddy.